Hey, what's up folks? Today I have with me the Fifine BM88 mic boom arm. I would be unboxing this, and as you can see, the packaging is quite compact, so I have to do some assembling, and you'll also see how it looks after the assembly and some pros and cons of this boom arm, whether is it the perfect boom arm for you or not. You'll find that out. Alright. Wow. That's such a big manual. Wow. It's just a boom arm. There we go. Alright. So as you can see, it's quite compact packaging. So yeah, nice. Okay, nothing. So this is the main, I guess, the arms. Alright. Yeah, as the box says, metallic boom arm. Yeah, quite nice. It gives you the arrow. So these are the cable management plates. So let me try to push it. Okay, it's a bit tight. I'll see what's going on. But let me first unbox the entire package. Oh wow, nice. It's quite thick, the screw, and even this plate, which I can definitely say it's of great quality, because if you can see here, they have the other AOKO boom arm. It's not thick. I mean, this plate is not as thick as this one. And even the screw, so even the screw like little bit wobbles. You can, it's not a big deal, but this actually shows that it's quite way better quality than the AOKO one. And yeah, the price is like £10 extra for this one, and it's a low profile boom arm, and that is not a low profile boom arm. Okay, so you just, so there's not too much assembly needed, so you just add this and it's done. You can tighten this a little bit so that it's a bit tight and doesn't move freely. All right, so as you can see, the quality is great. Just this branding here. Other than that, I don't see any branding, which I personally like. I don't want to show, if I'm recording a video, the brand of my boom arm. And yeah, so this is great with respect to that. And they have given this ball head, which is also missing in the AOKO. So I can properly adjust the position of the mic the way I want with this ball head. And another good thing is that they have this 1x4 inches screw here, so you can attach your cameras and all that. Because cameras, DSLR cameras, they use the 1x4 inches, and on top of that you can use the 5x8 or 3x8 inches to attach your mic. Yeah, they say 1x4 to 3x8, 3x8 to 5x8 adapter. Both are there. So how come it's both? Oh yeah, the green one. Yeah, yes. So green one is 3x8 and then the other one is 5x8. Yes, and the base is 1x4, so it's perfect. And attach all sorts of things. So that's good. And this is also wide, so it's easy to rotate and tighten. It's not a small key, so that's also good. They have given one Allen key as well. All right, still not sure why that big manual. Maybe because they have it in different languages, that's why. Yeah, all right. Okay, let me fit this in the table and we can talk more how it looks and all. Now this is the boom arm fitted to the table. Ignore the cables there. I will rearrange or reorganize that after I set this up properly. I am still waiting for my cable for my laptop to my monitor. So once that arrives, I'll set this up properly. So ignore that. Anyway, coming back to the boom arm. So this is how it looks. giving you the measurement. Well, this part here is 33 centimeters, same as this part, 33. And the total height, like this and this, inclusive of both of them, it is 16 centimeters. So, and this one, it's around 7 centimeters or so. This one, a little bit slightly less maybe. So you can attach this to a table, which is of max 6.5 centimeters thick. And as you can see, if you have this kind of a thing, the table edge and the tabletop edge, you need at least 2 inches there gap. So this gap has to be 2 inches, at least 2 or more. So otherwise you have to attach it like after that. So just bear that in mind. And another thing that I liked is that they have started this base like a bit inside, so that the edge of the table, there's no load at the edge of the table, and it's easy to chip off the edge of the tabletop. So it's nice that they have given it a little bit inside, so there's no pressure on the edge because it's easy to wear off the edge. So that's good. The quality is also nice, and the plates that I wasn't able to open at first, the arrows, so those arrows are the lock arrows actually, so it opens on the other side. So if the arrow, if you see here, it's facing that, it opens on the other way around. So that was the trick. So cable management, so this is all metallic, but the cable cap here, that's plastic, but still it's quite tight, it's not loose, so that's a good thing as well. Only the cables that are visible are here and here, which is fine. I'll be tightening the cables a bit more, and yeah, I'll see how it looks. And just to you know, I had to tighten this part here, otherwise it wasn't able to handle this mic, so a little bit, and now it's stiff and it's properly able to support this mic. I think it was loose at the start, so I had to tighten that. So that's why they gave the Allen key. You can tighten here as well, and also I did tighten this part. So now, yeah, it is a bit stiffer and quite nice. So I wanted low profile because I have my softbox generally kept here. So when I have this standing desk taller in the upright position, or at the tallest position, it hits the softbox if I go with this boom arm. So this is a normal boom arm. So that's the reason I went with the low profile, and I quite like it because this one is huge. It's also good quality. I'll share both the links there on the video description. So this one is, if you see, it's like here, it's also 7 centimeters, and the screw head is like this. But this one is slightly better than that. So it was saying 1.5 kilograms is the total weight that this can carry, but this one was around 3 kilos. So that's the good thing about this boom arm. It has all screws, so manual screws. You have to unlock and lock every time you move this boom arm around. But this one, it's a different mechanism. AOQ also has a boom arm like this mechanism that you tighten the screw. So generally these boom arms carry, or the capacity is slightly less than this mechanism, the boom arm with this mechanism, lock and unlock, that you would have to do every time you move the boom arm. So I quite like it. The quality is great. The ball head, the other one didn't have ball head, and as I was saying before, it's quite nice. And I hope this video gives you some information that will help you in your purchase. And if it does, please hit the like button or subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.